back there? Where's Newman? Were you chewing the wall? Huh? Where's Cookie? Were you chewing the baseboards, Cookie? Not you. Not you. Can't go under it. Can't go over it. I guess I gotta go around it. Right? What are you doing, Cookie? Were you chewing the baseboards? Were you doing that? That's not very good. What are you doing, Cook? Huh? Where's Newman? Where's Newman? Careful, Cookie. What are you doing, you Mr. Silly? Where were you doing, huh? What are you doing, honey? Hey. Good boy. Aren't you? Are you good boy? Huh? Careful. Where's Newman now? Where's Newman? I lost my birds. Where's Newman, guys? Newman? Where's Newman, Cookie? Oh, there's Newman. Hi, Newman. Well, you guys made a mess of this room, didn't you? What have you been doing? Just looking out the window? This was spotless last night. Who did this to Coco's cage? You? What are you doing, mister? Where are you going? You want me to look at you, don't you? Huh? Oh, you can do it. Come on, mister. Oh, boy. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, my goodness. What a good boy. Do you want me to pet you, honey? Here. This is where we pet you, right? Here. You want me to pet up here. Let's go up here. Whoa! There we go. Let's pet my Cookie. Yeah. Look at you. What a good boy, eh? You're such a good boy. Hey! Hey! Roo! No! Roo! Roo! No, no, no. Okay, sweetie. Are you done? Do you want to go back? Do you want to sit up? Hi? Here. You don't need to be on the floor. Here, let's get you over here. That a boy. Oh my goodness. Look at you. So good. Yeah.